Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a text total effect in Illustrator. So I have written down my text, and I'm just going to I'm just going to go to Effect, 3D, and Extrude and Bevel. I am going to click on the isometric top one. Oops. And I'm just going to, actually I forgot, sorry. I actually want to make the color the same as my background, and then I will go to Effect, 3D, and Extrude and Bevel, preview that, and I want to click on the isometric top one, make sure the extrude depth is to 150, the blending step to 256. Don't forget to click on the Draw Hidden Faces and click on a shading color. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press OK. And let's just go to Object, Expand Appearance. Then I will just make it so it's in the middle. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to select the Direct Selection tool. And I'm just going to select the ones on top by just pressing Shift on my keyboard. Then I'm just going to go to my keyboard and press Ctrl X and Shift Ctrl V. Then I'll go to Object, Compound Path, and Make. Then I'm just going to click on all of them, Object, Clipping Mask, and Make. And you have this really cool sort of whole effect. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!